Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be hanging out with you guys today. Today we are going to be learning how to properly wash our eyelash extensions. Yes, ignore my 9-nail situation here. I can't get my nails done yet. But yes, today we're going to be learning how to properly wash our eyelash extensions. I know so many people that really want eyelash extensions and they just don't want to deal with any sort of cleaning, but it's actually super easy. This video is going to be for people who are even experienced in washing their eyelash extensions, because I have some tips and tricks that you're going to want to learn and some products that you guys are going to want to pick up. Please be sure to give this video a like and thumbs up at the end, and any comments that you have for me at the bottom. I'd love to learn your tricks as well. Also, if you guys are wondering, my sweatshirt is from Pretty Little Thing. Super nice and cozy. I got their Black Friday sale, but they have super awesome sales for Christmas. And then this necklace is from Amazon, which I'll link down below. So anyway, feel free to keep on watching, and yeah, see you in a minute. Also, PS, this video is for my lash extension girl. She's amazing, my lash girl. I will link her down below, her Instagram. Her name is Michelle. If you guys are from the San Fernando Valley, please be sure to check her out. But make sure there's still appointments for me because she's super busy. Anyway, I do need to fill in about a week, but this is a kind of like a light volume, heavy hybrid D and double D curls, so you guys can see up close. They are super pretty. And then I do have a little bit of mascara. I already took off my makeup from my face. As you guys can see, my redness and some blemishes. But I kind of left the rest on so that way we can kind of take it off together. The first thing that I have to tell you is all of your makeup products should be oil free. There is no oil at all should be included in any sort of makeup remover, because they will tear off your lashes. They will instantly take them off. That's actually how they remove them. So that's first. The makeup wipes that I use, which are really sensitive for around my face, is the Neutrogena makeup remover. You can find this pretty much anywhere. Or sometimes I use the Aveeno Ultra Calming, but I don't use these anywhere near my eyelash extensions, just around my face, and they seem to, so in case they do get like near my eyes, it's not a problem. And the two other products that you guys are going to want to be picking up, which I'm sure you heard of, but one of them you might not have. This is the Garnier Micellar water in the pink bottle. I find that the one in the pink bottle doesn't leave any sort of residue on your face or on your eyelash extensions or eyelids. So this one has been my favorite so far. It's really great. Once you shake it, it takes the makeup off right away on my eyes, my eyebrows, and right on my eyelid and the line. Now the next product that I'm going to be telling you about is the Garnier SkinActive Micellar Water Cleanser. So this one isn't very popular, and I wish it was. It's so underhyped. So they're almost like the same thing, except this has a pump and it becomes a soapy consistency, and it's fabulous for washing your eyelash extensions. I find that this works so amazing and makes them look so fluffy every day after washing them. I will go ahead and show you how to use this, but I also use this on my face, and it's been pretty good, guys. Like, all these breakouts are just from the mask, but honestly, my face feels clear and my eyelash extensions are loving this. So these two are an absolute must. You can find this at Target, Walmart, wherever. And this one is a little bit harder to find depending on where you live. But just make sure that you get the one with the pump. I actually ordered this from ULTA.com, which I will link down below. Another thing that is optional for you to buy is this mini air conditioning fan. I'm not sure if you've seen, but normally when you get your lashes done, your lash tech will actually use this to finalize your lashes going on. It's super awesome, and I actually got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below. Super easy to charge. It rarely ever has to be charged because your lashes dry super quick. Or you can just use your blow dryer on a low setting, which we'll talk about later. Two other products that you guys will be needing is little makeup brushes. This one's from E.L.F, and so is this one. They're actually from Target. I think they're like $2 each. And the reason why I have a piece of tape on it is because all my makeup brushes are the same. So I would hate to get my eyelash extension cleaner brush mixed up with my, makeup ones. So yeah, this one is amazing, and it actually has such a soft tip, which I'll show you how to use it in just a few minutes. And then this one, which I will show you, is super tiny and great for getting in the creases of between your eyelash extensions on the waterline, getting that eyeliner out when you decide to put it on. So alright guys, so these are all the products that you guys will need. Once again, I will link those down below, and let's go ahead and take off this makeup because it's giving me a headache already. Hey guys, I'm back. If the lighting looks a little bit different, it's because my camera was dead even though it said it was fully charged. Story of my life. Okay, so as you guys know, I already took off my face makeup, but now we are gonna go ahead and take off our eyebrows and the concealer that I have on my eyelids. Anyway guys, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our Garnier cleansing water and just make sure that you shake it up really, really good, and grab yourself a Q-tip. Now with our Q-tips, we are not going to get super close to our lash line. We're just going to take off what's surrounding it, and then we'll move in for a more precise clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip it. It might get a little bit messy, whatever. I would suggest to do this over the sink, but for filming purposes, I'm here and I have my mirror right here so you guys can see. And I'm just going to take off my brows. Sorry guys. Okay guys, so now that I've taken off most of my makeup, you guys will notice that there is still a little bit close to the lash line. So we are going to go ahead and go back with our Garnier cleansing water and just dip our little tiny E.L.F. brush into our micellar water, getting as close as we can to the eyelash extension, but being super, super gentle. So let's go ahead and do that now. Please do this over the sink. Perfect, so that is all off now, and as you guys can see, it just helped get a really clean, nice eye. And then it's gonna, let me zoom you guys out. Wow, it's like two different people here. And then now I'll go ahead and do the other eye. I will be right back, and then we will go ahead and clean the entire lash. Okay guys, so now that I've done both eyes, we are going to go ahead and move on to the actual washing process. So you're going to go ahead and grab your E.L.F. makeup, what is this, a brush, and we are going to go ahead and get some cold water. For the purpose of this video, I will not be doing it over the sink because of my camera, but you guys want to make sure that you're using cold or very not even warm water, so room temperature water. You don't want to use any sort of hot water or steam near your eyelashes because they will come off. And then we are going to grab my favorite, our Garnier in the pump, the Micellar foaming cleanser. I love this stuff, and you do not have to shake it. So we're just going to take a little bit, and I actually put it just on the palm of my hand and try and keep that really, really still. So it comes out super clear, and then we are going to go ahead and wet our brush here in some water, and then just make sure you have a tissue handy. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. And we are just going to lightly dab our eyelashes. So we are going to go ahead and wet our lashes here. It will run down your face. I like to wash my face afterwards. And then we're going to grab our micellar water on the back of our hand and just kind of lather it in, and you will shortly see it start to lather. And I'm just lightly brushing them. I'm not being rough. And the best part about this soap is that if it gets in your eye, it stings for a second and then you're totally fine. It doesn't keep your eyes red. It's super gentle. And I'm just lightly brushing them on the inside and the outside of them, and just being super gentle and nice. And it's okay if you do have some fallout. It is totally normal. That's actually good. It means that your natural lashes are coming out. They're going through their little cycle. And if you are rough with them, that's when you will see a lot of your lashes come out. And now we are going to go ahead and rinse them. Wow, this is getting everywhere. We are going to go ahead and rinse them. Now you could go ahead and just throw the water on your face. I personally don't like to do that, only because sometimes your lashes can't hold your natural lashes can't hold your eyelash extensions and all that water, making them really heavy. So I don't suggest doing that, but totally up to you. You don't care and it's like you need a fill, like, okay, that's easy, but up to you. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a Kleenex, wrap it around my index finger, and just pat them dry for the time being. Very gently, and making sure that they're in place, and also wiping underneath here so that way there's no soap that gets in your eye, and even going up into the top waterline if you can. And now we're going to go ahead and grab a spoolie. You want to make sure that you use a clean spoolie almost every single day. This will make sure that you don't get any old bacteria and dirty stuff into your lashes, and we are just gonna run through them. And now's the time that you're gonna go ahead and grab your little fan or your blow dryer. For the purpose of this video, I will go ahead and show you how to use a blow dryer. I feel like that's kind of a more commonly used drying technique, so let's go ahead and do that now. I have them all purposely placed, and it's super important to brush through your lashes once you are done washing them, so that way when they dry, they don't get all tangled and stuck together, because that's really painful. Okay guys, so I am gonna go ahead and grab my blow dryer. I want to make sure I do this super quick after patting and drying them off and washing them, so that way we can have them dry how I want to. Just like when you dry your hair and you want to style it, it's the same thing with lashes. They are little fake, you know, like hair. So you want to make sure that you dry them ASAP, otherwise they're just gonna dry however they want. It is not okay to air dry them. They will get all crunchy and weird. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a blow dryer for the purpose of this video, and we are going to make sure that we are on the low setting, and that like the coldest, and then if you even have a cool button like I do, that works great, and low. The only other suggestion that I will say is that I sometimes go up to medium, just keeping it really far away from my face, just for the purpose of it being fluffy. Sorry, I almost forgot that we need to make sure that we are brushing through them, which I will show you as we blow dry them, keeping the blow dryer away from your face and the lashes. You're just gonna kind of have them hit from an angle that's kind of far away. Okay, and here are my super duper clean lashes. They look wonderful. They look just like they did earlier. You want to go ahead and brush through them. Like I said, it is okay for some lashes to fall out. Don't worry, you'll probably get a fill soon. You probably shouldn't see any fallout until about a week later, depending on what kind of set that you have. But don't be scared if some of your lashes fall out and it's like the first or second time that you're washing them. That's completely normal. So I am going to go ahead and do the other side. Anyway guys, that is it. It probably takes about actually 10 minutes for me to wash my lashes and make sure everything is clean, to take off my makeup. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the Micellar foaming cleanser with the pump to go and wash my face. I love this stuff. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will go ahead and link everything that I use down below. Everything is super affordable, so we can spend our big bucks on our lashes. And thank you again for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Guys, if you're still watching, my dog Winnie is, he's 8 months, and he's just really happy that you guys watched till the end of the video. We love you! Bye!